In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Agile project management in Wrike. We'll walk through setting up an Agile-ready space using Wrike's templates, then how to switch between key Agile views so you can plan, track, and review your work effectively. Start by opening Wrike and going to your inbox. This is usually where you land by default, but if not, look for the inbox icon in the left-hand navigation and click it. From here, we're going to create a new space that's pre-configured for Agile work instead of building everything from scratch. At the top of the interface, look for the option that opens your space or workspace settings. In the menu that appears, click on the item that lets you create a space from a template. Using templates is a great way to get started quickly because they include folders, views, and dashboards that are already tailored for common workflows like Agile. Wrike will now open the Solutions Gallery. In the search field, start typing the name of the Agile template you want to use. As you type, Wrike will filter the available templates. When you see the Agile Project Management template appear, click on it to open the details page. Here you can quickly review what's included in the template, such as sample folders, boards, and reports. Next, click on Use Template. Wrike will ask you a few setup questions, like where to create the space and what to call it. Adjust those settings as needed for your team, then confirm. Wrike will generate a new space using that Agile template, including example projects and views. Once your space is created, look at the left-hand side and click on the section labeled Planned versus Actual. This view helps you compare what you intended to do with what's actually happening in your projects. Take a moment to scan the columns and data so you understand what's being tracked. Now switch to a more detailed perspective by selecting the All Details view. This will usually show you tasks or projects in a richer format, with fields like status, assignee, dates, and effort. It's especially useful for sprint planning and backlog grooming because you can see all the important information in one place. Next, click on the Active Projects view. This narrows your focus to the work that's currently in progress. Here, you can monitor which projects are moving, what's blocked, and how the team's effort is distributed. You can customize the columns or filters to match your Agile process, for example, by surfacing priority, sprint, or story points. As you move between these views, you may see options or drop-downs that let you switch layouts, group by different fields, or filter to specific teams. Click on those highlighted controls to adjust how the data is presented. For example, you might group tasks by status to get a Kanban-style board, or group by assignee to see workload by team member. Finally, return to the Planned versus Actual and All Details views to confirm everything is displaying the way you want. You can refine filters and groupings until your Agile board, your project list, and your tracking reports give you a clear picture of what's planned, what's in progress, and what's done. By following these steps, you've set up an Agile-focused space in Wrike and learned how to navigate the key views that support planning, execution, and review.